Kublai fibra session part te hakene ke video kwamta ngan pentip syafi yaki khobar laikam palapanmi deka MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission palapanmi hadu art likipus jong ki wiving demonstrator badia kini kipus papriya beraplai kandai yaki kandidat ki balapan dep yaka kosten sejrong papriya banaplai dekajaka kandai Hawes Cengti Hill District Jawai. Oke, lada pibidon kamon banaplay kini kipus tes sampai jika ke video hadu banakut nang mapin sautu kambenya akbedai bat kini kipus DSC West Cengti Hill Recruitment 2024 a District Selection Committee DSC West Cengti Hill District Jawai invite application for the post of weaving demonstrator. The last date for submission of the application is 16 January 2025. Kawas Cengti Hill District Kalakot online application yaki post weaving demonstrator District Selection Committee DSC. Dia katarik ba kado bakin pedang yaki application ijong pi kandai hadu ka kando tarik January arajar absan. Yaki bakwa banaplay kini post teh salikna banaplay. Bat pihak apply haka MPSC website macrecruitment.nic.in kakerteng jongki post kadai weaving demonstrator number of post artili kasih jengtia bat karo artili ki post nang takastem pihak apply kadai karpra hadu live asnam bat ka over age limit yaki SC ST kandidat kandai sansnam kemut hadu live fu news 6 pihak apply nang taka salary kadai level 5 as per revised pay structure kadai arp kanajar aspa aka sibnai nang taka essential qualification kadai matriculation SSLC pass certificate kadai penpendep beka matrik lane kelas 10 pass sajrong a 2-year certificate course in handloom from the Handloom Training Institute HCI Mendipathar North Garo Hill District Meghalaya Ribandon ke training certificate asnam haka Handloom Training Institute Mendipathar North Garo Hill District Meghalaya. Yakum na apply kini post weaving demonstrator. Interest and eligible candidate may apply online through the DSC West Cengti Hill District portal https westcengtihill.gov.in or macrecruitment.nic.in. Dia kini post pihak apply haka online website yang ka MPSC recruitment hadu ka kandu tarik Januari arajar absan. Nang taka by application fee kadai sanpo tingka yak ngiki SC ST kandidat bat yakiway kandai sispa tingka. Dekan sadan karutin exam lane interview teki ba qualify pa de karutin exam lane interview insayo yakin kikam kitang kini kicim pentip haki bedai bat kini post ko blesibon.